An attorney for the man accused of pepper spraying 3 police officers defending the U.S. Capitol wants his client's confession thrown out of court. Well, now that recording of the confession has been obtained by WUSA 9. Our chief investigative reporter Eric Flack here with us with more on what this newly obtained interrogation video shows. So Flack, this recording is really at the heart of the government's case.
Yeah, it is, Longo. It shows Julian Khater of State College, Pennsylvania, under intense, hours-long questioning by the FBI. And as you're about to see, Khater does confess to assaulting police, but only after he repeatedly asks if he should have an attorney present before he did so. Julian Khater sat handcuffed to a wall inside an FBI interrogation room for more than 2 hours as Special Agent Riley Palmtree pressed him for answers about the video and images laid out before him.
I've never been in this situation either before, but I just...
No, because you're not...
Like, legally, I
can tell you legally where you're at. I can tell you legally where you're at. You're in big trouble.
It was an interview that should have never gone forward, according to this motion to suppress use of Khater's video interrogation in court, in which his attorneys allege the FBI, quote, extracted an invalid waiver of Khater's Miranda rights through means of coercion and deception.
Right there.
After convincing Khater to answer questions without an attorney present, investigators told him they already had video that allegedly showed Khater using chemical spray against 3 officers defending the Capitol, including U.S. Capitol Police Officer Brian Sicknick, who collapsed and died the next day. Although the medical examiner would later rule exposure to chemical spray played no role in Sicknick's death. Still, those agents were demanding answers about whether Khater, who allegedly grabbed the spray out of his co-defendant George Tanios' backpack, used standard pepper spray on police or a much more potent chemical irritant known as bear spray.
Because it looks like you use this on a human being.
Okay.
That's what people see right now. The photos. We have video. I have so much more video. Please don't make me go through all the video and the evidence that I have.
The FBI agent tells Khater admitting to using pepper spray on officers would be better when he got to court than if he was suspected of using that more powerful bear spray. But to disavow use of the bear spray, Khater had to admit to using the pepper spray, thereby admitting to the assault on police.
I'm not asking for you to be like, yes, that's me. I'm just asking for you to tell me what was being used. And I mean, it's right there. You know what I'm saying? It's right there.
Yeah, I would feel a lot more comfortable if I had a lawyer answering that. Because as I said, I know you know everything, like you said, and you see everything, but I just don't know. I don't know the implications of what I'm saying. About an hour later in that interview, Khater would again suggest he needs a lawyer present after the FBI asked him to consent to a search of his car. Khater ultimately signed a statement admitting to assaulting police with pepper spray during the insurrection. The judge has yet to rule on the motion to suppress that recorded confession. A judge has allowed a similar confession by a man who admitted to tasing then D.C. police officer Mike Fanone, admitting that confession in court. Adam.
Yeah, and whatever the judge decides here, Flack, could have ramifications well beyond just this case. Eric Flack, our chief investigative reporter, thank you.